Peace and blessing to you. And thank you for watching my videos. Welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline. And today's video, I am sharing a few messages a little further down the video. But first, I want you to know that this particular video is mostly a feast for the eyes. A lot of nature going on. And I really just wanted to share all of that with you. So this was a very beautiful adventure that I went on during my travels in Jamaica. We went all the way up in the mountains to visit a friend, and that friend's place is just amazing. It's nestled in nature, and everything that he created for his home is just so beautiful. So I just wanted to share the beautiful nature with you. So it's a feast for your eyes, full joy, the vibes, and the ride. And if anything, you can check in the description box. I will be indicating where, I share a few messages if ever you want to fast forward to that. But if not, then please just full joy, the green, Mother Nature, and all her incredible beauty. Peace. I am going through so many emotions right now. You can't see it, but back there, it's cloudy, but it's the Blue Mountains. And then on this side, you have the sea, and you can see the city down there. You can see the lining of the mountains a little bit. But I am feeling all kinds of emotions right now. going through this man's house, him and his auntie. This is their home that they've built, and they're completely off the grid. I'm just in awe and it nourishes my soul to be here. Like, I feel so many things. My energy is expanding being here. You're completely in nature, away from people. Okay, and all kinds of different energies that come from being in cities. But what it also does for me is it's almost as if, you know, when you add fuel to a fire or you add wood to a fire, it feels like this experience of being here and witnessing what this man and his auntie have built, it's possible for me to build as well. It's a reality that's on the subtle level, you know, but it exists. And I keep connecting with people who have made it a reality for themselves or their families, and it just adds fuel to my inner fire. And I'm going through a lot of emotions right now, but whatever it is that you desire to manifest, to create on this planet, work towards it, yes. And whenever you have the opportunity, the blessing of being around people who have achieved what it is you desire to achieve, even if it's not the exact same, but something along those lines, I invite you to spend time there and to channel that type of energy of it being a physical reality where you can see it, you can feel it, you can touch it, and therefore it feeds your inner fire, your desire to make it happen for you as well. It feeds that fire, and it helps bring it even closer from like a spiritual, subtle, invisible level to a more visible, material level. And you got all his herbs over there. I'm just There's a nice little bench right here to go with this view. Lord have mercy. See this smile on my face? I've been keeping this smile on my face all day. Look at this. Everything is just beautiful. Look, even these little flowers. I feel blessed, beyond blessed. Everywhere is just surrounded by nature. I'm just, oh my God. Listen, do yourself, gift yourself a trip somewhere tropical and go up the mountains and just breathe fresh air, drink fresh water, and just take in all the view. I have no words to express how I feel right now. No words. I have no words to describe how I'm feeling right now. The joy that is in my heart. I'm going slowly because this coming down this hill is a different story, but it's kind of slippery, so I'm going to be careful. So I'm walking slow. But listen, there are no words to describe how I feel. But what I do know is that I need to stop filming because or else I'm going to slip down this straight up mud all the way down. So I'm going to focus to come down this hill. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed all the beautiful nature, and as I said, whenever you experience something that is close to what you dream of manifesting, soak it all in, Fuel your inner fire so that you can help bring it from the subtle plane into your physical reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace and have a joyful day.